clear. Okay, it's clear. All is clear. I'll dispatch.
Alright everyone, we're now in the back. Even though it's only one car, I think it's worth trying out every seat on the train because even like shifting from the left to the right can alter your ride experience drastically. And I think that's something a lot of people don't pay attention to. So let's see how this is. Fake out. And then the egg puppy again! Oh my god! Whoa! So funky in the back. Oh my god. In like a good way. It's really good in the back. It's actually really fun in the back. I like this. Things where it's like, you know, it's just fate. I was destined to ride the back on Daredevil Dive, and now I got my reaction for you guys. This is actually a great ride. Let's see, so of all the Eurofighters that I've ridden, I've not ridden Hang Time because I was closed when I went. This might be the best Eurofighter I've been on. Wow.
One of my old masters, I'm trying to do a quick copy of the